Hello guys, today we'll show you how to install Elfsight Widget on Weebly website. First, let's get a widget code from Elfsight dashboard. Click Install at your widget and copy the code. Let's move to Weebly. Choose your website and click Edit Site. Let's add a widget to a specific page. It will work the same for floating and static widget. At the page you want to add it, choose the embed code block and drag and drop it to the place you like. Click on the added block, adjust its position to center and hit Edit Custom HTML. Paste the widget installation code. Click outside the container to close it. The widget might not be visible in Editor or look cropped. No need to worry, it will be displayed correctly on a live page. Let's publish and check it. Great, here it is. Now let's add a floating widget to all pages at once. In the top bar, choose Settings, and then choose CO. Paste floating widget installation code to the footer section. That's it. Hit Save button and publish to make it live. Let's move to more difficult part and install a static widget at all pages at once. Go to Theme in the top menu. In the bottom left, choose Edit HTML CSS. Choose Header HTML, and there you need to find the correct placement for your widget. Try to place it between opening and closing body tags. If you place it right after opening body tag, it displays at the top of the website. If we move it right before the closing body tag, widget shows up at the bottom. Once you find the correct place, repeat the same process in No Header HTML section and publish changes. Widget might not appear in one of the sections, however, it's important to place its code at both. If you face difficulties with it or have any other questions, please check our Help Center article, link in the description. Please also feel free to reach us at support@elfsight.com. We're always there to help. Thank you for watching and being with us.